Okay, so I'm going to explain how I found the distance that my golf ball traveled in my mini golf activity. So to do this, because we're following angles of reflection, the distance that our golf ball traveled makes up the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So to find the distance that the golf ball traveled, all we have to do is find the value of that hypotenuse and then add it up with all the other values of the hypotenuse so that we can find the distance. So I'm just going to explain one triangle and how I did it because I used the same formula for all the triangles. So I'm going to be explaining triangle KNL, which is the last triangle if you're working backward from the whole. So to do this, I chose my function, which was cosine. And to set that up, we do cosine of our theta, which is 17, equals 4, which is the value of our adjacent, over x, which is the value of our hypotenuse, which we don't know yet. And then from there, we type cosine of 17 into our calculator, and then in decimals, we get 0.96 equals 4 over x, and then we do cross multiplication so that we have x equals 4 over 0.96, and then we type that into our calculator and get x equals 4.17. So from there, we just repeat that with each of the triangles to find, through the various cosine, tangent, or sine, what value of the hypotenuse is. So my total ended up being that the ball traveled 12.8 units to get to the hole in one.